half of it. Corner. Chop it down. All right, today we're gonna bring actual multi-vegetable chopper and slicer. So this is everything you get in here, including the actual handle to slice the actual vegetables or maybe cheese if you want to grate it. And it does have the little sharp edges, right? So when you're able to grab onto the nail on these actually pins are able to grab onto the food. And you get the actual area where you're gonna retain all the vegetables. And you can use this as a container too. And it does have a measuring area here, so you can measure your stuff. Now, this is the actual system itself. There's two parts to this. There's a grater or a slicer. We're actually going to change this one out to a larger one. And you got to be careful because these are sharp stainless steel. They have clips in here. Move them along and they lock in place. Now, this handle is replaceable with the actual slicer, all right? So you have to push it straight up. Once you have it up, you push it away from it. And then you do the same thing on this one. This is the slicer, right? If you guys can see, same thing, progress the same way, bring it down. Now, for the slicing area, there's a part to go in here. So they lock in place. And then all you got to do is get your slicer in there. Be careful, it's very sharp, all right, when you do this. So you grate it and everything in here. Just make sure you remove this part too, all right? You're going to have to remove that when you're grating. This goes all right over it. And then you slice it this way, all right? Now we're gonna get ready to cook right now, and what we're gonna do, we're not gonna use this slicer, we're actually gonna do the dicing one, all right? So this has to come off, so just make sure you're aware that this part goes here first, locks in place. Now you have different sizes, different areas that you can change out. It comes with a blade for slices, all right? Just make sure in case something grabs onto the corner, you could remove it with this brush. And of course, they even give you instruction on the paper that this place up. Make sure that this part, the lip, is always up. Gloves to put everything away, and instructions. So today we're actually going to do tomatoes right now. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to do a tomato in here, right? Without making a mess. Now we're going to chop this into half of it. And then I'm going to show you with this little device I have now. Put it in here. All right, look at this. Push it down. Voila! Perfect slices. I didn't even chop half of it. I just pushed my weight on it. Push it down. Voila! I like this. It's simple. Chop it down. Look at all that. Right now in a matter of minutes. All right. So